Welcome to Keto Master. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on keto tips, news, videos and ideas. The ketogenic diet has been gaining massive popularity in the weight loss industry over the last years. In fact, the word keto diet was the top searched diet words on Google in the year 2018. However, with its ever-increasing popularity also come its own set of critics and naysayers. These people believe that the diet plan is just a result of the people's fascination to lose weight without any scientific basis. In this video, we will discuss the different keto myths and lies that have been spreading online from these so-called keto naysayers. Keto is the best way to lose weight. The truth is, there is no perfect diet for anyone. If someone was successful in losing weight through a keto diet, it does not mean that it is also suited for you. The diet plan may be trendy and popular now, but the success of losing weight largely depends on finding the right plan for you. Keto is not for athletes. Because of this diet's less carb rule, a lot of people believe that it is not suitable for athletes and people who perform high-interval physical exercises. However, a lot of studies have proven that the ketogenic diet helps reduce body fats, thus increasing the oxidation and sprinting power of endurance athletes. The ketogenic diet is not for people with diabetes. Because of its high-fat, low-carbs plan, a lot of people think that the ketogenic diet can increase the risks of diabetes. The truth is, it is the other way around. Is based on studies. The keto's calorie and carbohydrates restriction can be used as a remedy to reverse the said sickness. Keto can increase your cholesterol and can affect your heart. It is a fact that too much consumption of saturated fats can harm the heart. However, with the ketogenic diet, it can help raise good cholesterol that is responsible for improving the body's cardiovascular indicators such as blood pressure among others. Keto can bring flu-like and fatigue symptoms. For people who are just starting the diet, it is normal that they will feel headaches, muscle aches, fatigue, and other flu-like symptoms. These are good signs that show that the diet is actually working. The ketogenic diet can bring fatty liver diseases. A lot of people think that keto's diet plan affects the liver badly and can even result in fatty liver diseases. However, the European Association of the Study of the Liver clearly stated that a low-carb diet is the best way to treat fatty liver diseases, thus improving your liver's fat metabolism. It will make you lose sleep. Following a ketogenic diet will not make you lose sleep and have insomnia. The low carbohydrates and high in fats diet will make you sleep better according to a study. People will have better sleep quality, which means having a deep sleep throughout the night. It causes gallbladder problems. Several studies have already proven that those high-fat diets including keto diet can help in the prevention of gallstone formation. Keto diet can lead to nutritional deficiency. Because of keto's fat-focused diet plan, a lot of skeptics believe that following the keto diet may lead to nutritional deficiency. However, this diet plan involves several low-carbs and high-fat foods, which are rich in protein such as non-starchy vegetables and fruits. It can cause hormonal imbalance. The keto diet plan is often associated with the hormonal response of an individual taking it. Critics have been vocal about it, saying that it can cause hormonal imbalance, specifically cortisol and thyroid hormones, although no studies have proven this idea. It can cause kidney stones and gallstones. Another baseless myth that has currently no scientific evidence is the diet plan's association with kidney and gallstone formulation. A real keto diet plan consisting of a moderate protein intake cannot be considered a factor that causes kidney stones. In addition, none of the usual gallstone causes can be associated with the diet. A keto diet plan is not suited for long-term weight management. Several studies have proven that a keto diet can be an ideal plan for a long-term weight management program. The Journey of Insulin Resistance stated in a survey that they've found out that 60% of respondents lose more than 20 pounds after taking the diet for the last 2 years. Conclusion: the increasing number of skeptics has proven the popularity and effectiveness of the ketogenic diet plan. However, losing weight is not only about following the keto diet. It is also about looking for the right diet plan that is effective for your body. So, just because keto does not work for you, it doesn't mean that it doesn't work for others.